morning, this is Peter Boulton. The reason that you're receiving this or watching this video is because at some stage over the last few weeks or maybe even months, you signed up to SFM. What that really means is that you've exchanged your email address and your name in return for the promise of receiving a free video series or a free workshop series. And that free video series or workshop series is really designed to introduce you to a business opportunity which can ultimately change your life. Now that sounds a bit dramatic, but I can tell you that it's certainly changed mine. I got involved in the business back in August of last year and have found since then that my life has literally changed. Not only am I producing an income from this business, which quite frankly could be a very exciting income as I continue to develop and grow this business, but it's really changed the way that I work. And I now find that I have what I call the freedom to work how, where and when I want to work, and that's very liberating. So this is just an encouraging message really, that if you haven't yet seen the video series or the video workshop, or perhaps you have seen it but you haven't really taken any action yet, and you're thinking about, it would be good to change my lifestyle and perhaps have more freedom to work how you want to work, where you want to work, and when you want to work, just want to encourage you to take a look at this business opportunity seriously. If you want to get the free video series or workshop, then you can visit my website if you don't currently still have the email. My website is peterboulton.com, and that's Peter, Boulton.com. And on my website you'll find more information about me, who I am, my experience, my background, and why maybe I'm credible and you can listen to what I've got to say. But also you'll find the links to the free video series and free video workshops. And I say, if you haven't seen them yet, I'd just encourage you to watch them. If you watch them and you feel that you want to take a step further, then that's easily done. And I'd also make an invitation to you on this video this morning that if you'd just like to talk to me and talk it through, and perhaps you've got some questions that you feel need answering, then why not contact me directly and see whether I can help to answer those questions for you or to discuss any observations that you've got. Again, my contact details are on my website, so that's peterboulton.com, and I'll look forward to hearing from you if I can help.